On the line.
Good day, my wonderful people. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel, Odumeje Vibes. If you are new to this channel, please do well to turn on the notification bell. Make sure you like this video and do well to subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, let's head back to the gist of today. Well, Odumeje, the Indaboske himself, just got his wife a brand new BMW. Wow, more. This pastor really tried for his wife. He really tried for his wife. Congratulations to her once more. She looks so excited in this video. I won't be talking much in this video, so I'll play some of the clip for you guys to watch and see how excited she is and how she appreciated her husband Odumeje in this video. Like, do well to subscribe. See you in my next video.
On the line, stop. On the liquid.